Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the La Prairie Cellular Cream Platinum Rare. I bought this at Bloomingdale's during their sale. I have been using La Prairie for years and it is one of my favorite skincare brands. But this will be my first time trying this particular product. The packaging is beautiful. The bottle is made out of this heavy-duty clear plastic. It comes with this booklet. There is a mini manual inside and also a beautiful spatula. The spatula has the shapes of a golden sun and a silver moon. The cream has a slight silver platinum color and has a very light flowery fragrance. Now I'm using the spatula to pick up some product to show you guys the texture and consistency of the cream.
It's pretty rich, and I want to say it feels cooling too to the touch, and it's very moisturizing.
Thank you for watching. Please comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time. Happy day!